what is graphology, what is handwriting analysis, how does it work, where is it used, why is it so useful. All these topics will be covered in this video. Plus, I'll be giving a bonus tip on how to increase your willpower and endurance using graphology. So watch this video till the end. Before beginning, let me introduce myself. I am Neha and the founder of Insiding Graphology Solutions. Our services include handwriting and signature analysis, career counseling, general counseling and personal counseling, compatibility analysis for personal and professional relations, candidate analysis for recruitment. We are also into handwriting and signature forgery detection, and we take extensive and intensive courses for teaching this subject of graphology as well. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of my videos. And do like and share this video if you find it useful. So let us begin. So what is graphology and what are its benefits? The techniques of assessing, understanding and identifying personality traits and characteristics of a person from the handwriting and signature is called as graphology. The benefits of graphology are as follows: understanding and improving yourself and others, improvement in personal and professional relations, growth and success in career and business, compatibility analysis between people for personal and professional relations, candidate analysis for recruitment, and much more. What can you understand from the handwriting and signature of a person? Complete nature and personality, career and professional condition of that person, family life and condition, health, and the core reason for progressing or not progressing in life. These are the following things which you cannot understand from the handwriting and signature of a person: gender, age, whether a person is left-handed or right-handed, nationality, caste, creed, and religion. This simple flowchart will make things clear. The mind consists of two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Our mind tells us what is right, what is wrong, what should be done, what should not be done, which actions should be taken on a repetitive basis, etc. So when we perform a certain action again and again, it forms into a habit. Understand, no habit is formed overnight. When you do certain set of actions again and again, that results into some habits, and when you have those habits inculcated in you, it results in characteristics or traits, and all of this is represented in your handwriting and signature. And then obviously your handwriting and signature reflect your mind, thinking and thought process, and that is how this circle continues. How and why does the handwriting reveal a person's nature or personality? See, understand, the mind is like the software and the brain is like the hardware. Like all body parts, fingers also occupy certain space in the brain. When a thought is triggered in the mind to perform the action of writing, both the conscious mind and the subconscious mind are at work. Your conscious mind is basically telling you what to write because you're aware in that present moment, thinking as to what you're supposed to put down on the paper using your pen. And writing is like a subconscious activity like walking, talking, breathing, etc., which you have learnt at a very young age. So you don't have to put any extra efforts as to understand as to how to pick up your pen and move the pen along the paper, etc. It just comes naturally to you. So when you're writing, your conscious mind and your subconscious mind both are at work. The action of writing is performed when your brain gives instructions to the hands and fingers to move via the electrical impulses through the central nervous system. This is how the entire process takes place, and that is the reason your handwriting is a clear reflection of the conscious and the subconscious mind, thought process, thinking, mindset, nature, personality, strengths and weaknesses. Let us consider the example of a person called as Anil. Some event takes place in Anil's life. Now it can be a good event or a bad event. Basically, Anil is overweight. Maybe someone made fun of his weight or body, or maybe Anil, attended a motivational seminar. But the end result was that Anil wanted to lose weight. All right. Now, this thought got hard coded in Anil's brain, and it became his core thought, idea, or belief. That is, Anil wanted to lose weight and wanted to become and stay slim and trim. So Anil starts taking actions. Anil goes to the gym, follows diet, gets very good results. People start commenting, start giving good feedback to Anil that he is looking good and all. So this motivates him further, and he becomes further diet conscious and health conscious. Anil keeps on doing these things all the time, repetitively, that is, going to the gym, following the diet, becoming more health conscious, etc. This results into habits, which are that Anil feels motivated, always stays fit by exercising and eating healthy. These habits get resulted into certain characteristics or traits in Anil, which are that Anil has a lot of willpower, endurance, discipline, and determination. Now, all this comes in as a result of those actions which Anil had started taking because of the core thought that he wanted to lose weight and become slim and trim. So the end result is that Anil loses weight, becomes very health conscious and self-disciplined. And all of this is seen in the handwriting and signature of Anil. So the handwriting and the signature is a reflection of Anil's habits, actions, traits, thinking, and thought process. That is, all of this can be understood from the handwriting and signature of Anil. When an event takes place in a life, which can be good or bad, it all depends upon how the mind perceives it. If the mind perceives it in a good way, then positive actions are taken accordingly, which results in good habits getting developed in the process, due to which positive traits get built which are very good for the personality development, such as high willpower, determination, endurance, patience, etc. If the mind perceives the experience in a negative way, then negative actions are taken accordingly, resulting in bad habits developing in the process, which result in negative characteristics being built in which are very bad for personality development, such as laziness, procrastination, cheating tendency, self-deceit, etc. So your core thoughts result into you taking actions, which result into habits being inculcated in you, which can be good or bad, which result in certain traits developing in you, and all of this can be seen in the handwriting and the signature of a person. That is why your handwriting and signature can reveal so much about yourself or of anyone else. Before giving you the graphotherapy solution to increase your willpower and endurance, let us understand in short as to how exactly graphotherapy works and what exactly is graphotherapy. So graphotherapy is a science of changing the personality by changing the signature and certain letters to bring positive changes in life. So the candidate practices the customized signature and letters given by us. This results in positive changes occurring in the thinking, thought process, conscious and subconscious mind. This results in the candidate taking correct respective actions to progress in life. This leads to candidate developing good habits and characteristics or traits in self. So the candidate experiences utmost success and satisfaction in different areas of life depending upon which graphotherapy solutions that person has taken. There is lot of similarity between graphology and the medical field. Let me explain. A medical report gives the results of the medical test done on that person. The handwriting sample gives the results of the thought process of that person, telling you the strengths and the weaknesses. When the doctor sees the medical reports, he tells you what kind of health problems you are having based on those reports. A graphologist tells you the problems you're currently facing in different areas of your life like job, health, relations, etc. based on the handwriting and signature. A doctor gives a prescription for the health problems for you to overcome them.
and the graphologist gives you appropriate graphotherapy remedies to overcome your problems.
This example will make things pretty clear for you. Let us say you're not feeling well, you're facing shortness of breath, tiredness, fatigue, etc., and you go to the doctor. The doctor tells you to take a simple blood test. Now, in the blood test, it is seen that your hemoglobin is pretty less. When the hemoglobin is less, obviously you're going to face these health problems such as fatigue, shortness of breath, etc. So the doctor tells you to take certain supplements of iron, etc., and your hemoglobin level increases, and these issues which you were facing, you will not face them anymore. So basically, if your hemoglobin is less, that can be one of the reasons why you were facing these health problems. Same analogy can be applicable in the world of graphology and graphotherapy as well. There are certain letters and patterns in your handwriting and signature which signify different aspects of your life. So your financial condition will be represented by some letters, your health will be represented by certain patterns, so on and so forth. So if you are having problem in those areas, 101% it is going to be reflected in your handwriting and signature. That is how we graphologists are able to tell you pretty accurately that what issues you are facing currently in your life. So if those letters are corrected, or if you practice those customized letters and signature given to you, it is just like a medicine as to how you would take the iron supplements, increase your hemoglobin levels and solve your health problems. So you practice that customized signature, you practice those customized letters, and then you overcome the weaknesses and the problems you are facing in your life. That is why there are so many similarities between medicine and graphology.
The benefits of the graphotherapy solutions which we provide are as follows. You overcome all your negative traits easily and successfully. You accentuate your positive trait and reap all the benefits from them. Your health improves, your mind and body become very strong. You experience happy and peaceful relations. You attain mastery in your career and profession and reap huge benefits from the same. Your money earnings and savings increase. All the self-doubt and insecurities disappear. You have utmost peace and happiness from within, and you get super fast results from the same. So here is the tip on how to increase willpower and endurance using graphology and graphotherapy. Letter T in graphology shows the level of endurance and willpower a person has. A correct letter T indicates that the person has very good willpower and high sustaining capacity, which is one of the important factors for success in all the areas of life. Practice letter T 25 times daily as shown in image 1. If your T is like any one of the T's as shown in image 2, then correct it immediately and practice the way I am showing to you now.
To practice graphotherapy, all you need is a single line notebook like this and a pen or a pencil. Now I will show you how to actually practice the letter T for tiger to increase your willpower on a daily basis. Practice letter T in this way 25 times daily. Ensure that the letter T touches the top line and the bottom line. So practice letter T in this way 25 times daily. I hope you found this video useful. You can contact us if you are interested in any of our services or if you have any questions or queries. The contact details are given in the description box below. I will be uploading more videos on the uses of graphology on YouTube and Instagram very soon. You can follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Take care. Bye.